One of the most influential technologies that has been used in many industrial and non-industrial applications in the last few years is image processing. By using this technology, images are understood, analyzed, and recorded correctly and accurately without human intervention, and with the help of machines such as smartphones, cameras, computer systems, etc. The emerging technology of image processing is performed by various devices such as cameras, digital sensors, and optical instruments, as well as programming, artificial intelligence, and various platforms such as MATLAB, Python, and OpenCV. It is safe to say that most of the information around us is recorded through images or observation. Image processing is one of the main parts of computer vision, and it implies that every image contains a lot of information and therefore is important. By using image processing, the images become digital, which makes various things easier, and as a result, errors are minimized. Initially, this technology had private applications and was used for security and government systems. But in the last 20 years, with the expansion of artificial intelligence, this technique has been used publicly from the smallest to the highest levels. But what is the impact of image processing in our daily life? Most images taken with different devices require reprocessing because they may be out of focus or have too much noise. Filtering and edge detection are two of the most common methods of digital image processing. Filtering is used to enhance and modify the input image. With the help of various filters, you can enhance or remove certain features of an image, reduce image noise, and do other things. But this is not the whole story. The main application of image processing has to be found somewhere far away from our daily use. The most important application of this technology can be seen in medical, mapping, meteorology, astronomy, military, and industrial purposes. As we said, image processing is also used in military and security cases. This technology helps governments, military forces, and local police in identifying and finding suspects. Of course, there's a downside in this case, like the case that you probably all know about Huawei, which Google decided to end its support for the devices of this communication giant after many struggles. However, image processing, like any other technology, has its pros and cons. Even now, considering the importance of images in social media these days, we feel the advantages of this technology more than its disadvantages. Now we have to wait and see how far image processing will progress in the future. Am I the only one who worries about the blurring of the line between reality and a fictional world?